Good morning students. Today I will teach class 7, chapter 7, that is weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. In today's lecture I will discuss about the two topics, that is weather and climate. So, weather has profound effect on our day-to-day activities, because when we plan for a day activities, they are planned according to our weather. For example, when we go for a hill station, we pack our suitcase according to the weather of that place. So in this way, weather has a vast or profound effect on our day-to-day activities. As you see, in any game or any cricket match is depend upon the weather of that place. So firstly, weather report should be taken before organizing any function or any game event. So in this way, we can say that weather is not apart from us. It is a part of our life. We wear clothes, we eat according to our weather of that. So what is weather? So weather is the day-to-day condition of atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed of that place is called weather of that place. Here, weather has certain elements that are called the elements of weather. So the elements of weather are humidity, temperature and other factors like wind speed or humidity, etc. So what is humidity? Humidity is the amount of moisture that is present in the air. So this is called humidity. So how we know about the weather? So question arises, how we will know about the weather? So weather can be understood by the weather report. So weather report is a report which carries the information about the temperature, humidity, rainfall for past 24 hours. So in this report we have the data about the humidity, temperature, rainfall of that place for 24 hours. So this weather report is predicted by the meteorological department of the government. So it collects the information about the temperature, humidity and rainfall of that place. So in this way a report is prepared and present to us. You can also see the weather in many newspapers where minimum and maximum temperature is given. You can also check the weather report from the your mobile internet. So in this way, a weather report is known to us. So the meteorological department of the government help us to know about the weather report of the place. So there are the different elements that can be measured by the government of India, that is meteorological department. So rainfall is measured by this special instrument that is called rain gauge. So you have to note that point. So rainfall is measured by instrument that is called rain gauge. So a weather report predicts the weather of the day. So in weather report, a day has what type of weather is, the information about that is given. So we can also say that weather is a complex phenomenon. So how weather is a complex phenomenon? So complex is very hard to understand. Yes, weather is very hard to understand. As weather is a complex phenomena because it can vary over a short interval of time, as it can vary according to short interval. morning there is a bright sun you can see. After that a clouds are appear or raining takes place, or sometimes that rainfall vanishes after a few minutes. So in this way weather can be changes continuously over a short period of time. So we can say that weather is a complex phenomenon. So, now the next question is how the changes in weather take place. As we know, sun is the primary source of energy. Due to sun, we get heat and light. So, energy is absorbed or reflected by earth. Ocean and atmosphere helps to change the weather of that place. So we can say that change in weather is due to the sun's heat and light. So in this way we can say that weather changes. So the next question is climate. So climate is the average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years. What does it mean? If we take a weather report of a particular place for 25 years, we can say that that place is hot or cold. For example, if the temperature of that place is very high, then we can say that that place is hot place. If the temperature of that place is very low, then we can say that the place is cold. Or when the place has heavy rainfall or the rainfall after a short intervals, then we can say that it has hot and dry weather. Weather, hot and wet weather. So the western region of India, we can say that Rajasthan has very hot temperature over the 6 to 8 months of the year, and the few months are very cold. So the place of the western regions are hot, dry, and have desert climate. So they have a minimum rainfall. So that's why that place are hot as well as dry. On the other side, the northeastern region has heavy rainfall. So that's why that have wet places. So in this way, if we note the pattern of particular place for the long year, or note that pattern, we can say that that pattern describes the climate of that place. So the climate of that place is understood by the maximum and minimum temperature measuring thermometer. So the maximum temperature of that place is described in the afternoon, or the minimum temperature of that place is described in the early in the morning or even in the evening. So we can say that maximum minimum temperature is the thermometer is the instrument which is used to measure the temperature of the day. So the temperature of the day predicts the weather of that place. So here I have completed the topics weather as well as climate. Try to find out the difference between weather and climate and note that difference in your notebook. So I will attach the PDF file along with this video. You can write the work in classwork as well as homework notebook. Thank you.